In this video, I'll be showing you guys the newest way to get eSign on your iOS device without computer or a jailbreak. With eSign, you guys can download your favorite IPAs with just a few steps, making it the most reliable signer, working for iOS 15 all the way up to iOS 26 and possibly even iOS 27. So the first thing that you guys have to do is just go to the developer's official website. I will leave a link for this in the description down below, and what we first have to do is scroll down and download the DNS profile. So just click on the download button and then it'll say that the website is trying to download a configuration profile. Click allow here, and now what we have to do essentially is just go into the settings app. And in the settings app, you guys are going to go to general, scroll down until you guys see VPN and device management, and then it'll say your downloaded profile. So click on that here, click on install, enter in your passcode here, click install, and then click install. So now the configuration profile has been installed. If you swipe back to your home screen, you guys will see a bookmark of the website here. And now you guys can click on the website here directly or go into Safari and do it from there. So I'll be doing it in Safari just because it's a bit easier. And now what you're going to do is scroll down, and there is a new certificate that has just recently been released, China Telecom Corporation Limited. And so there is also a check mark here. So if you guys are watching this video a bit late, then this may not be available. And if it isn't available, then you guys can just scroll down and try any one of these here. There's about like 20 different eSigns and one of them is bound to work. But for now, the China Telecom Corporation Limited is working. So click on install here, click on install. And now just go back to your home screen here and it'll start to install. And now as you guys can see, it has installed. But if I click on the eSign here, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. And so what we need to do is go into settings and then obviously go back into VPN and device management, click on the enterprise app and trust it. But when you guys trust it, it will prompt you to restart your iDevice. So I'll be back when I restart. And now once you guys have restarted, you guys can just open up eSign here. And then it'll say eSign would like to send you notifications. Click allow, scroll down here and just make sure that you guys read everything. Click on next, click on agree. And now we can actually start sideloading. The first thing that we need to make sure though is to go into settings, and then as you guys can see, go down to certificate management and make sure that the certificate is in fact there. And now we need to go to files over here, click on the three dots over here, click on import from files. And now you guys just need to locate your IPA. For this video, I will be sideloading Mellow NX, which is a Nintendo Switch emulator. If you guys want to know more on the full process for the Nintendo Switch emulator, I will leave the video for that in the top right. But anyways, click on the Mellow NX IPA here, click on open, and then it'll say that Mellow NX has been imported successfully. So now go to import to app library, and it'll say it has been imported to app library. Click confirm, and now if you guys go to apps here, you guys can see Mellow NX under the unsigned section. So just click on this here, click on sign, click on start signing, and it will start to sign here. And then it will say, would you like to install Mellow NX? Click on install here. And now if you swipe out, Mellow NX should start to install. Just give it some time. And as you guys can see, Mellow NX is successfully installing. Just give it some more time and it has successfully installed. So now we can just open up Mellow NX. And as you guys can see, it does work just like it is intended to. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to join as a member for the channel, as there is going to be an exclusive Discord server that is being created as of this video. And thanks for watching.